Good morning friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today I am Anshu cover of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 2 Nani's walk to the park with all of you. This is a chapter of subject English reader class 5th. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss first, word meaning of this lesson, second, one word answer of this lesson, third, question and answer of this lesson. Friends, इस वीडियो से पहले हम लोगों ने इंग्लिश रीडर चैप्टर 1 की एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस की है। आप इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले उस वीडियो को ज़रूर देख लिए, क्योंकि इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है और हमारे वीडियोस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी इंग्लिश क्लासेस का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी की सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन। फर्स्ट, नानी, इट इज अ नाउन विच मीन्स मैटरनल ग्रैंडमदर। सेकेंड, लेन, इट इज ऑल्सो अ नाउन विच मीन्स रोड and street. Third, treasures. It is also a noun which means valuable things. Fourth, gothi. It is a noun which means a traditional hand-stitched quilt made of recycled material, usually soft, old cotton sarees. Fifth, mischief. It is a noun which means naughtiness. Let's move on. Sixth, reminds. It is a verb which means to cause to remember. Seven, patient. It is a noun which means tolerant. Eight, whisper. It is a verb which means to speak in a low voice. 9, giggle. It is a verb which means to laugh lightly. And last word of word meaning is breeze. It is a noun which means a gentle wind. Let's move on. One word answer. One word answer. Question number 1. How many times in a week Nani goes for a walk? Answer of this question is once. Nani goes for a walk once a week. Question number 2. How does Nani walk? Answer of this question is slowly. Nani walks slowly. Question number 3. In which lane Nani goes for shopping? Answer of this question is the lane of treasure. In the lane of treasure, Nani goes for shopping. Question number 4. What is Manipur for the animals to drink? Answer of this question is milk. Manipur is milk for the animals to drink. Last question of one word answer is what looked like a magic carpet? Answer of this question is flowers. Flowers looked like a magic carpet. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। Let's move on question and answer. Third, we will discuss question and answer of this lesson. Question number 1. What does Nani do in the lane of treasures? Answer of this question is Nani does shopping in the lane of treasures. Question number 2. What happened in the lane of beauty? Answer of this question is in the lane of beauty, the people stitch amazing godis. A lady gives Nani's a godi in which Winky sees a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of his Ma's kurta. Question number 3. Who does Nani call out in the lane of happiness? What do the Nani and Winky do there? Answer of this question is come, come. Nani calls softly and Winky laughs as dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Nani pours the milk she bought at the market and they watch as the animals lick their bowls clean. Let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4. What are the children doing in the lane of mischief? Answer of this question is in the lane of mischief, the children are playing Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. Question number 5. Had Nani named all the lanes in the city? Which lanes had she named? Answer of this question is no. Nani had not named all the lanes in the city, but she named those important to her. Question number 6. Whom did Nani meet in the lane of friendship? What did they do together? Answer of this question is Nani meets her dear friends in the lane of friendship together. They were girls together and had grown old together. Question number 7. What can be found in the lane of dreams? Why is it called so? Answer of this question is books were sold in the lane of dreams. It was so because the bookseller sells book for very low money, or you can say very little money, and brought the old ones people has finished reading. Question number 8. Why is the lane of magic called so? Answer of this question is the lane of magic is called so because it has big trees of Gulmohar, Amaltaz and Jarul that offer shade, and the flowers on the road looks like a magic carpet. Last question of question and answer is does Winky like Nani's walk to the park? How do we know? Answer of this question is yes, Winky likes Nani's walk to the park because he told Nani that he liked lanes and asked Nani if he could come along with her next time too. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. फ्रेंड्स, इंग्लिश ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारे इंग्लिश ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।